Whisper. Whisper. Hey. 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 It's okay. It's okay. Get you set up, buddy. Hey. Come here. Hey. 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 Whisper. Sit up. Come on. Whisper. My dog just had a Grand Mal Seizure. They sit like this for a little while. Best thing you can do is keep them from hurting themselves. I snap at his ears to see if I get a response from him. You see his legs still trembling. That's just muscle spasms left over because it's like getting in a train wreck. Whisper! Whisper! Hey! 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 Daddy's here. This is me moving him. Whisper! Get out of it this time. Hey, buddy. Let's get you set up. Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Ooh. Hey. Whisper. Yeah, he's responded to me, finally. Oh! Oh! What? This way! This way! This way! Get you some water. You see they get quite wobbly. You see him wobbling all over? Whisper! Water! Water! And he's not responding to me very well. Come here. Right here. Water. Oh, shit. He just fell. He's acting like he wants to go outside. Silly animal. Why do you want to go outside? He just had a seizure. Go outside? He has one typically every 6 weeks. Kind of odd. Oh, down the stairs. Oh, he's got his balance back. What? Yeah, he's still a bit wobbly. He tends to want to go right outside. Oh. He's doing okay. Some of the things that happens to him is he'll lose control of his urine when he pees himself a lot. He tends to go outside and needs to go to the bathroom afterwards. And plus the cold, the snow, makes him feel pretty good. Anyways, I think this is it. Thanks for watching.